So good morning, good afternoon, especially good afternoon to you, Laetitia, because you are in Europe.
Thank you.
Laetitia Pardo, the Director of Sales of our Zenodo Keio Milos, a new hotel in Athens opening very, very soon, and also the Director of Sales of our Oma Santorini, who just opened last June. So Laetitia, I think you want to show us your soon to be open, so tell us more.
Thank you very much, Dominique, and good afternoon to all. Indeed, I'm delighted that I'm able to present you today Xenodorhio Milos. Xenodorhio means hotel in Greek, so it's a bit of a Greek lesson, which is about to open within the next few days. So I'm not sure if you know, but Milos, the restaurant that you know, which are in New York, in Las Vegas, Miami, Montreal, London, it's quite well known. It's quite a Greek success story because there's a gentleman, a Greek gentleman who expatriated Montreal, opened his first restaurant and he expanded. And now it's time for him to come back to his roots. And he wanted just to open a restaurant. He found the restaurant and he found the building. And when he saw the building, he said, well, it's time for me also maybe to have a hotel also. So this is how it came. And as Dominique said earlier, it's a hotel with a specific approach concept, which is very similar to the restaurant, which means it's luxury but simplicity. So not sure if all of you have been to Athens before or not, but let me just, you all know where is Athens, but some important things is that since this year, there is some new flight, and as of 2022, there will be a new direct flight with Boston also from May to October, which has been announced. The carrier, I think it's Delta, but I'm not sure. But this is good to know. So now there is, Athens is connected with so many cities in the US. So that's actually a plus. So this was important to mention. In terms of Athens, so it's in terms of our location. So here, this is the Greek Parliament, where you which is very well known, and this Syntagma Square. Syntagma Square is the heart of Athens, and we are located in Kolokotroni, which is just opposite of the National Historic Museum, and the National History Museum. It's the whole Parliament, actually. So the hotel is ideally located close to the shopping area, to the high-end shops, such as the big brands that you can find, and malls. But also at the back, you have Plaka, just a few minutes walk, which is where you can find all the traditional. Plaka is the old town. There is a lot of restaurant shops, so it's ideal if people want to really see the the traditional Greek shops and also to eat. Syntagma Square, I talk about it, and Acropolis. So Acropolis is just 20 minutes walk as well as the Acropolis Museum. Something important is that the hotel has a view of the Lycabettus Hill. The Lycabettus Hill is the highest hill of the city, is higher than the Acropolis. Athens. Let me tell you about Athens, because a lot of people think, especially coming from the US, city trip, we should go to Paris, we should go to London, we should go to Rome. And indeed, they are amazing city, but Athens has also a lot to offer. So Athens, I've been coming to Athens for the past 18 years, and I've seen Athens evolving. It's definitely a place with a lot of authenticity, because the Greek are very authentic. And I can say I'm not Greek, I'm French, so I can tell you. They are authentic, they are warm, and it's a city where has been elected the gastronomic city for Europe for 2022. So definitely, and it's close by the sea, so you are literally very close to the seaside also. Here I'm showing you the building of Xenodorhio Milos. So Xenodorhio Milos, it's a mix of the old and the new. So here you have the building, which is a neoclassical building of the 1850s. And this is the first 2 floors. And then you have this glass building in the middle. This part of the hotel too. And you can see behind Dominique a nice picture of the glass building, which is on the top floor of the hotel. So We have a total of 43 bedrooms and suites. Downstairs here, you will have, there is Estiatorio Milos, the restaurant. This is the entrance of the hotel, and this is the whole hotel. And these are the balcony of some of the room. Okay. So this is important. Just opposite, as I say, you have the National History Museum. Greece is well known for a lot of history. So this is good to know also that the area where we are, it's a very important area in terms, it used to be, and it's still in terms also of business. A lot of politicians and the Athenian aristocratic likes to gather and meet over here. Rooms. So this is to give you an idea of the rooms. So we have different room types within the hotel. And, but as I say, the concept of Milos, and this is why it's a lot of people are waiting for us to open, is that because it's bright, it's a lot of lights, in simple but luxury. It's wooden floor everywhere, and you have all the comfort of a 5-star luxury hotel. And now we have Nespresso machine in the room. We have Bulgari as amenities in a bathroom. So it's very as what you expect from a 5-star luxury hotel.
Very chic.
Thank you. We have a few of our rooms with terrace, which we call our terrace room. And this is on the 4th and the 5th floor, which is the glass building. So the rooms are the same in terms of the style and everything, but they have terrace, which are quite large, and view of the Lycabettus Hill. This is our Milos Terrace suite. So you have the bedroom, the living room, the dining area, which is the Estiatorio, which means restaurant Milos experience. So you can have a Milos restaurant experience in your room. And there is a very large terrace with a jacuzzi. So the Milos Terrace suite is on the 5th floor with an amazing view of the city, and you don't hear any noise. Really, I was there yesterday, and you cannot hear any noise. So it's very ideal. And all this room connect. So we do have a family room, and this room can connect with another room. So it can easily take 2 adults and 2 children, but also connect with another room. So it's perfect. And then we have our Milos signature suite, which is our biggest suite in terms of size. And it's the only room in the hotel with a bathtub, because all the other rooms have only a walking shower, large walking shower. So again, with a Milos dining experience here. So this is for the hotel. Now let's come into the restaurant. So as I mentioned earlier, I'm sure you know, Estiatorio Milos. It's a well-known restaurant in the US, and we are very happy that we're opening it here in Athens. I mean, it's and I'm sure that Dominique can, because she went to some of the restaurants in the US.
Yes, in New York, in Las Vegas, or everywhere in Miami. I mean, the food is amazing. Amazing. And the same, you are like, not one day. Usually I do my lunches when I invite travel advisor. I do every day. I take the same dishes sometimes, but it's impeccably always the same. It's unbelievable.
And it will be the same. Well, I've been to the one in London. I haven't done the one in the US, but it was amazing. And it's fresh product. It's Greek product. We do sometimes send Greek product also to the US, because it's just the taste. I mean, it's simple, but it's amazing. And it's really the Greek products. So, and with nice flavor and real flavor. So this is the restaurant.
I know.
Tell me.
In Las Vegas, where I was last week, and having a dinner there every night, they said the fish are flown in every day.
Yes.
So it's incredible. Fresh
it is
Greece every day.
But and this is the concept. So so like that, let's give you a clear idea and of the quality also, and it's the quality of the product, the ingredient, the dishes. And I was in London. You've done it in the US, and I think next time you all need to come and try it in Athens.
Exactly.
So this is the restaurant, where we will serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We will have Estiatorio Milos breakfast concept also, as well as the same for the room for the in-room dining. And then you go up the stairs, and we have upstairs over here what we call the Milos Beyond, which is more a fine dining experience where there is a nice wine bar. So a bit different than downstairs and then the restaurant. So it's a bit more fine dining, but it's more smaller. So, and it can also be used for private dining and private events. Again, private events in this place, but otherwise on the terrace of the terrace suite. And here you can see with a jacuzzi on the 5th floor. We will have a spa suite. The spa suite will be with the LMS product. So as I said earlier, we have also the Oma Santorini Hotel with the LMS spa. And we will have I'm about to open the hotel. We have the spa suite with the LMS product at Milos also. And that's about it. And here, that's to show you that the hotel is just right here. And you can see the Acropolis at the back here. And here, what you see is the old Parliament, which is now the National History Museum.
Well, thank you very much, Laetitia. I can't wait.
You're welcome.
I know that one of you, if I'm not, I think John, you're going to be there soon, December for the fun trip. So you're lucky. Let's see the question. Sherry, is a family room two connecting room with two bathrooms? I think
it's the family room. It's a 2+2. So you have a king size bed and you have a sofa bed with one bathroom.
Hello. Aaron, you said yes, New York Milos is beyond fantastic. I totally agree. Kim, you would like to know, can twin beds or two double beds be requested?
We have room which can be twinned, definitely. We have twin room and we have some twin room connecting with king size room also if people do not want the family room. So yes, no problem at all.
Jess, I see your picture, your question. How far is the property from the Athens Hotel Royal Olympique?
Walking, it's because we are close to Plaka. So I will say 10 to 15 minutes, depends how you walk.
Walking distance, huh?
15 minutes, yeah.
All right. Nestle, you said you will have yes, we will be sending you the recording. Actually, Laetitia will be doing that. Sherry, will you guarantee connecting one king with two twin?
If you ask us in advance, we will make sure we block it and guarantee for you. But we need to have it in, earlier you book, better it is.
Yeah. Aaron, you want to know if they offer meet and greet at an airport and transfers?
We will be working with a transportation company, a very luxurious transportation company, we will be able with our concierge to organize that for your guests, no problem.
Sherry, you would like to know when will rates be loaded for summer 2022?
Very good question. There is still a few things to be finalized, not in terms of the rates, but in terms of the systems. As soon as it is, we will make sure to let you know, Cheryl. But hopefully, within the next 48 hours, the rate should be loaded for all 2022 and visible on the GDS.
And don't forget to send us your request.
Of course.
Special commission and also special amenities to add.
Indeed. Indeed.
So I do not see any other question. Is there? Aaron, you would not. John, you want to know, can I have your 2-letter code for GDS?
I will have them tomorrow because we.
Oh, it's pretty fresh.
Yes, because everything is been done. You know the Greeks. Everything is done perfectly well, but a bit last minute. So I will have them and we'll make sure that I send them to Dominique. She will share them with you, Aaron.
Maybe actually when you do the follow-up, you can.
Yes, I can add it too.
And you put it with a recording. If you have the rate or an idea of the rate, I know everyone might like to have it. You will see.
With pleasure.
Aaron, you want to know if the property is displayed in Sabre, and if yes, under what code? But that's the same question.
Yes.
That John. So Aaron, you will know tomorrow. I see one more question. Opa, said Jess. All right, everyone. So we had an efficient little webinar. We started 15 minutes. I think it's great. We will be sending you the recording. I mean, Laetitia will do that.
I will.
Any more
My
questions?
pleasure.
So remember, if any of you, oh, Sherry, will DMC be offering the property?
Of course.
I know at least our, we represent Eclectic Greece, so I know Eclectic Greece will be definitely working closely with this hotel and Omar as well. Alors, John, yes, Eclectic is the best. Cindy, you want to know, thank you. The property is gorgeous indeed. And I think, as you said,
Thank
not
you.
only people, everyone, when I presented, said, oh, we need a new hotel in Athens, but the style, it's contemporary, has a kind of a younger flair than more some of the
Definitely.
traditional hotel. So you're going to have the location, the design, and then the food. So
Yes.
Alors, Viviane, yes, cannot wait to experience this property. Change your flight, Viviane, and come and join us. December 2nd to the 5th, if anybody wants to join Laetitia, we will do a fun trip at the Milos. Thank you very much for your time. And I see two
Thank you.
more. No, Céline, you said sweet presentation. Thank you, everybody, for listening to us. At 2 p.m. today, we are going with our DMC from Southern Africa, Dare to Explore, if you want to meet us again. All right. So
thank you very much, everybody. Merci.
Next time we do a walkthrough. It's a live tour.
Next time is a live
tour. All right. Allez, bye.
Bye.